Hi everyone, Hammering Beer, and today's video for entertainment purposes only. Before we begin, don't forget to put likes and push subscribe button. Let's go! So let's go back to Alibaba shares. As you see from a 1 hour chart, guys, we had some rising wave on the 1 hour chart, but today, as you see, guys, the BABA is dropping dramatically, dropping down, you see. And what can I say? That I got first signal of two crossing averages, and for me, I think that it's, you know, huge drop down begins, and I think that some correction might be. Do you remember my previous videos of the last week? I was telling that the Alibaba shares will play in the sideways from 130, 170, you see. And I think that in the nearest days of coming days, looks like we had a continuous correction down, you see. It's not even correction, maybe the downtrend will continue, I don't know. But for sure, I think that today's drop down approximately, it is approximately 4%, you know, per day. It's a huge correction, guys. And I don't know if you are keeping your longs, keep it, you know, keep it. It's you are on your own, but let's remember what I told, that as you see from 1 hour chart, and let's go back to 4 hour chart, we guys are in a global downtrend, you see. And if we will, how to say, we'll count suppose Elliott waves, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, okay, suppose like that. Next week I started to think that okay, maybe the downtrend of five waves finished, you know. But today I was a bit surprised, guys, that it is dropping, you see, it is dropping, guys. And actually for a shorter term I was opened my longs, you know, my longs approximately, you see, I got some signal there, and I open it there. I open it there to keep it, and for right now I am just, you know, have a hope, and I am keeping that shares. But you know, when I see that global downtrend, I cannot sleep well, you know. I cannot sleep well, because in my very first previous video I was telling that what if, guys, what if the downtrend will continue, we will hit first of all 130, you know, 130. And just look at the history, 130, there was 130 here and here, you see. There was a double bottom, you see, and strong support. Okay, maybe it will not touch, and I am not right, guys, but 4% down we should take into account, guys, we should take into account. So for now I am keeping my small long position, but I guys will close it. As soon as you see on the 4 hour chart, if those two lines will cross, and the 5 days MER will cross the 20, you know, I will close it. And that just didn't touch it for some time, you know, that Chinese stuff. I am you know, fed up of that, all that Chinese stuff, like NEO, like BABA, you know. Guys, we was waiting a lot, you know, as the investors. We was waiting. All year we was waiting, and nothing is happening good, you know. And I am a little bit sad, guys, because, you know, for how long we will wait? For 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, and maybe it will go down, you know. And you know, for right now, I don't know, I think that there was a fake bull signal, guys, and don't know what to do for right now with the Alibaba. But I don't like it. I don't want just to touch it, and don't want it to buy it, you know. I am fed up, you know. And there are a lot of, you know, stocks where you can invest, but of course, if you buy it on the higher levels, you can keep it because one day, you know, it will stop, you know, to drop down, and fundamentals are not so bad for BABA. It should one day it should rise, you know, and start to rise, but the question is when, you know, the question is when, what day, at what time, this year or another year or third year or fifth year or 10th year, you know, and we could wait a lot of years, you know. So I don't know, as from the point of investment, maybe the price are not so bad, because, you know, it's like an American Amazon, you know, it's a Chinese Amazon, you know, and it has a huge potential to rise, huge potential, guys, huge. But for now, for this moment, for today, I don't like, you know, I don't like to buy when it is going down, guys. I don't like it. So my message for today for you guys: don't panic, keep your longs, you know. I will keep mine too, but, you know, if the downtrend will continue, I will close all my you know, positions, and just will sit and look what will be next, you know, what will be next. Of course, my prediction for a very, very long, suppose longer term is, of course, $90, $130. Great prices, great, guys, price. Buy it. But for today, you know, I don't know, looks like bigger players are just smashing down, you know, the BABA with non-stop going down. And for today, 4% down. We will see. Maybe it's just small local correction, guys. But I got some bad feeling that it could go down more, you know. It could, guys, go down more. But we will see. I think that the first support will be at 130. But I will not buy it, you know. I don't like it, guys, what is going down, you know. But for now, and to short it, to start to open some shorts, you know, I of course don't like it, you know. Shares are for investment for long term. We all like to buy it for a longer time, but when the shares are going down, it's sad for me too, you know. It's sad. And the next story will be about NIO, you know. They're somehow related, you know. Chinese shares, they're bad some ways, hammering, I don't know, maybe the government is hammering, maybe the huge players are hammering those shares, but this is not that day where we can just easily to buy it and sleep well, you know. I cannot sleep well when I am holding BABA, you know. I cannot sleep well. So tell me in your comments how you sleep when you are keeping your shares of BABA. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.